All right, so I'm here in the vehicle. Place the key in, lights are on, battery's fully charged, 12.5 volts on the multimeter. Go to accessory here. All lights are on. Radio's on. Vehicle's obviously in park. Go to try and start it. Single click from the starter, and then it resets. And again, when I try and start it, the power completely cuts. So I have checked the relay in the dash. That seems to click. Every single fuse I checked just to be sure. Battery terminals have been completely cleaned and traced, as well as this ground and the background. Those have all been wire brushed, cleaned, and treated. I've traced all the wires down to the starter. That's a brand new starter, and I took it and had it tested after the fact to verify, and it tested 100% good. So I'm kind of at a loss here at this point. Starter's good, battery's brand new, and the battery's good, testing full voltage. All the fuses are good, all the connection points are good. So I literally don't know why this is happening, but I go to turn the key, like I said, and I just get a click. That time it went before I even, oh no, I did actuate it. Single click. Oh, got a double click that time. No click that time. So I mean, I guess at this point, the only thing I haven't tried is the ignition switch. I don't know if the ignition switch would do that. I haven't tore this all apart to replace the ignition switch. I mean, and I guess the alternator was replaced some years ago, but I don't see how that would cause this issue. So let me know what you think.